Hey guys, Kat Kerr, and today I'm making a little journal page. I just got the Tim Holtz Stampers platform and I'm really loving it. It's really easy to use, and I know it's been around for a while, and this is the first time that I'm actually trying it, so I'm really enjoying it. Here I'm using Stampers Anonymous Road Trip Stamps by Tim Holtz, and I'm just using a 6x6 disc-bound journal page by Joggles. And I'm stamping it directly onto the page, but I do end up stamping it again on a separate piece of paper later on because it's just not bright enough for me. But I really like the way the Stampers platform works. And here I'm just using some Distress Oxides. I'm wetting them a little bit just to add some texture. And I'm also adding some Stampers Anonymous Grunge Set, I believe it's called. All of the items that I used, all the materials that I used are going to be in the description below, just so you know. And I decide to add a little bit more texture with the tracks on the road trip set. And here I'm just adding a little bit of splatters, and then I'm just going to stamp on some text. Reads now or never, because tomorrow's not guaranteed, right? So might as well get our stuff done today, right? And I'm just finishing it off with a little bit of Sharpie, placing it back into my disc-bound journal, and I'm really happy with the way this page came out. Sweet and simple, and definitely fun to use that Stampers platform. So thanks for watching. If you check out the description below, it's got all of the items that I used. Here are just the highlights, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.